Beautiful.
B E E A U
U
T I F
U
L
Beautiful!
Beautiful. Something that's beautiful is very pleasing in the way it looks, sounds, or makes you feel.
Belch B E L C H
BELCH!
Belch is another word for burp. Bellow B E L O W
BELLOW!
Bellow. To bellow is to yell in a deep voice.
Between.
B E T W E N
Between!
Between. Something is between when it is in the middle of two other things.
Blend B L E N D
Blend!
To blend is to put things together and mix them all up.
Bounce.
B O
U
N C E
Bounce!
Bounce. When things bounce, they spring back quickly after hitting something. A ball can bounce off the floor, the wall, or even the ceiling.